Oh, there's a guy by the bus stop. He's fully geared. Right in front of us to the left. He's behind that fence. He saw us.
Hello.
Oh shit, there's...
Fine, bye.
Who got their head gun?
He's glitched and I'm shot.
Oh, they shot you?
Yeah, I got shot.
Or shit, they're crossing the street. They went to blue doors.
So we'll go into this red house.
I believe they actually hit you. Damn, I didn't even see him shoot.
It hurt. It hurt bad. And by it hurt bad, I lost a little bit of color and it ruined my gear.
Jeez, what gun did he have?
I don't know, there was no sound or anything because he's glitched.
Let's go there and try and get behind us. If they try that, I'll fucking pop him with the pistol.
There's someone, you know, on the left shooting to an SKS, which means more ammo for me.
Oh, yep, they're trying to get behind us. They're up on the wall pretty soon. They're coming up on it. Where'd he go? What am I shooting? The window?
Yeah, probably.
God damn. I'm going out our back door real fast. Yeah, he's still behind that wall.
I left.
Alright, he's behind that closest wall still. I keep seeing him back up a little bit. I just don't know where his other buddy is. He's probably trying to get behind us again. He's right there.
Haha.
Oh, he's inside the building.
Yep.
Oh, the other guy's right there, behind gas station.
Killed the guy behind the gas station.
Nice.
He had a Winchester. Are you okay?
I hit this guy's bleeding bad.
Where is he?
Red 2-story.
I got hit again. Are you down or?
I don't know. You see him? Nice! Oh god, nice, we go. Holy fucking shit.
ICH rifle.
Holy fucking shit, man.
I love this chainsaw.
Oh god. Good shot, Wiku. Holy shit. Take that ammo. Oh my god, yeah, fucking... Oh, I heard a zombie. I thought that was a player. Fuck.
Makarov.
Oh shit, another guy behind you. He's on the wall, he's on the wall, he's a pistol. I got one.
Chainsaw!
We're gonna
There's
jump.
still another one.